Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with Breaking News with Gustan Associates. I want to talk about the ISM number. The ISM number is a manufacturing number, and it was bad this week, and it has caused some major volatility in the stock market. The stock market has seen an 800-point drop this week, which is good for rates, but there's some worry about jobs going forward. So this volatility is good for mortgages, but they're bad for the economy. Hopefully not. Let's hope the economy stabilizes and the manufacturing numbers stabilize too. But because of the volatility, we're seeing lower rates. That's breaking news for you from Gustan Cho. Give me a call if you have any questions, 630-915-7550.